Hey there, it's Kurt Hake here again for another app created in React Native. This time it's a weather app, and again I made it from the tutorial videos that are here in Handlebar Labs. Now let's show the app in action. Alright, so when I first turn on the app, it defaults to my current location. And then I can press the magnifying glass in the top right corner to see recent searches, as well as search by zip code to get the weather for another city. So let's try that. There, so it changed to Beverly Hills 90210. Okay, so now let's look at the code. Now I have to say that this is by far the toughest app yet. I actually spent several hours just debugging issues that were based on having different versions of things than the code that was provided in the tutorial. So during this process I spent a lot of time here in package.json, and I learned a lot about versions and updates and NPM in general. So hopefully I will be much more prepared to deal with similar issues that may come up in future apps. But now I'll highlight some key things in the actual code. So once again, index.js is mostly just importing things in from other files, and then it sets up the two screens, which this time are called details and search. Now, even though details is the first screen, I'm actually going to show search first because it's simpler. Okay, so search has two variables in its state. Right there. Query, which has a placeholder of zip code, but is then changed by user input. That's what I had highlighted down here. Oh, right here. And then the other one is recent search, which is just an array that contains, well, as the name suggests, your recent searches, just like we saw when the app was running. Okay, then when a new search is made, the user is sent back to the details screen. So let's look at the details screen. It has many more elements in it. It imports numerous components and other things from all these other folders. Probably the most notable one is Weather API, which is how we actually fetch the weather data from the internet. Now, details has many other parts, such as, well, actually, even including some things that we haven't really done in previous apps, like handling errors and dealing if bad information is put in, like, for example, zip code that doesn't exist. So yeah, that was another new thing. But this video is already getting kind of long, so I don't have time to get into every other part, but that was the most important parts of the new app. So thanks for watching.